Hello, traders, and welcome to Price Plan Profit. I'm Melissa, and in today's video, I want to discuss the power of setting out and why sometimes the best trade is no trade. Most traders think the only way to win is to be in the market. But what if the best trade is no trade at all? In this video, I'll show you why setting out can be your greatest advantage. Always trading equals winning? Question mark. The pressure to always be in a trade. Market noise creates an illusion of constant opportunity, and overtrading is a top reason that traders lose capital. Look, we've all been there, feeling like we have to be in a trade. The market's moving, and we're scared to miss out. But constantly tracing setups isn't strategy, it's emotional gambling. Patience is your edge. Waiting filters out bad setups, it reduces emotional decision making, and it keeps capital available for high probability trades. Setting out isn't weakness, it's discipline. When you wait for your ideal setup, you conserve capital, reduce risk, and let the market come to you. That's an edge that most traders overlook. Forcing trades is a trap. Forcing trades leads to accumulating losses rapidly. Confidence diminishes, resulting in impulsive revenge trades. Lack of clear data hinders effective learning and improvement. Overtrading doesn't just hurt your account, it wrecks your confidence. One bad trade leads to another. You stop thinking clearly and start chasing losses. This is how traders blow up. And I don't want you to do that. Mental reset, tactical advantage. Stepping back helps reset your emotions. It allows you to observe the market without emotional bias. And journaling non trading days builds discipline. When you set out, you reset your mind, you get clarity, you detach emotionally. It's a chance to observe the market without pressure, and that often leads to smarter, more profitable decisions. Look, don't force it. No high probability setups available. Don't trade. The market is flat or choppy. Don't trade or swing trade. Or don't swing trade, rather day trade. Or are you experiencing a day that you're just emotionally reactive? Don't force it. Here's how I decide when to set out. No clean setups, set out. Choppy conditions, set out or only day trade. If I'm feeling off emotionally, I'll set out. I wait because trading when the odds aren't in your favor is just giving money away. And I don't want to do that. And I know you don't either. Patience pays off. Almost took a trade, but wisely passed. Avoided a loss by waiting patiently. Found a much better setup later that week, that day, that month. Let me show you. This setup that I passed on is a great example. All right, here it is. We are looking at a trade setup in TEM. This was a day trade setup. First 5 minutes of the market, I got a huge topping wick right to my target. For me, that equals caution. All right, market pulls back. Here I have a potential entry, but I've already decided that I'm going to proceed with caution. So I wait for an entry with confirmation. This yellow arrow right here is a trendy turn signal signifying momentum to the upside. And so I enter the trade here, able to trim and take profits at two levels. Pretty cool, right? I was able to get confirmation of a move higher, enter my trade, collect some profits. Had I entered on the first valid entry, I would have been stopped out in 5 minutes or less. Patience paid off, literally. Discipline doesn't happen by accident. Build setting out into your trading plan. Define your best setups. Set rules when to stay on the sidelines and review non trading days just like you do trades. Some rules for my do not trade list include no established trend, a parabolic move with no retrace to support or resistance, when price is stuck between buy and sell zones that are too close to each other. I save these situations for day trades only or waiting for an optimal entry. Cash is a position too. Trading less often leads to higher quality trades. Discipline separates professional traders from gamblers. Setting out strategically keeps you in the game longer. Don't force trades just to feel productive. Winning traders protect capital first and only take action when the odds are in their favor. If you've ever set out and been glad you did, drop a comment below. And if this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe for more videos on how to become a disciplined and consistent trader. And I'd love for you to join me and my trading partner, John, in the trendy trading room at Simpler Trading. We trade live each day with hundreds of members. We have a 30-day trial for only $7. There's a link in the description below. I hope you have a great day and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.